BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we mentioned we're looking for buy. And if we mentioned we're looking for 485 following by 506 as a targets. As you can see, the price tag, the first target. And for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this range. Right now, they need to book some profit if they want to keep the trade. And no one see what's the next. Still, we can look for the next target as a 506. By the way, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart, and based on daily chart, since the price within here, after we get this drop, I mentioned I'm looking for the reversal. Okay, because we discussed about how we can look at this one as a flat, as a three waves. Anyway, we have been looking for the reversal as a long term. We have been looking for buy, and the targets based on daily chart we are looking for is 890 following by 1130. But based on daily chart, we don't see any trade setup. And if the price continues a corrective move, then we can expect to be this one in relative to any of this for one more drop. Okay. By the way, at this point, we cannot confirm with that. And still we're looking for buy. And if I move to lower time frame, and if we move to forward chart, okay, at this point, still we can look for 506. If we get one more drop, if this one turns a bigger, more complex correction, then we will give an update what's the next target we can look for. But at this point, the only thing is with the breakout of 506, we can expect the price to enter this zone, which is the zone for this correction. This is good for us. Then from there, we can look for continuation. But at this point, we have nothing to discuss rather than that because we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. And even if we refer to the indicators, if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, and if I refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's why I mentioned we can the possibility for one more drop in relative to this one, the 10 to a flat is there. Okay. And if I move to lower time frame, and if I move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. If anyone wants to look for buy, they can look for the short term as a flag. Okay, but it's a short term. As long as the price if we get into the profit, we have to start to manage it. That's why I mentioned still we can look for 506 for the next target. We want to see whether the price can break 506 or not. But at the same time, either from here or the higher price, we can expect to see the deeper correction. And even based on 1 hour chart, we see we have a divergence. Okay, because if we get the another correction at least similar to what we have here, we can expect look for the flat for continuation. That's why I mentioned if we get that option, then I will give an update what's the next target we can look for. But still I'm looking for 506 as his next target. Anyway, we just follow the chart. The only update is for those traders, they get a trade for buy within this one, at least book some profit. And again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.